A crucial success factor for any business is innovation, which can be incremental or disruptive. An incremental innovation is enhancing an existing process or product, such as adding a new feature to a product. Disruptive innovation usually deals with technology that dramatically changes the market, like Walmart's Scan and Go. As you become more innovative, remember that it is always important to focus on developing products and business models, creating services, improving customer experiences, and making more efficient processes. Let's say the marketers at an outdoor apparel company called Flora are having a meeting to brainstorm new ideas. Shri suggests adding new products to their most successful line and extending their limited edition pieces. She also points out that customer feedback has revealed a demand for more colorways and customization options. Coltrane thinks the company could incorporate more technology in the customer journey. He thinks if they have a kiosk where customers can check the price of an item and complete their purchase without any assistance, then it could benefit the demographics that want to avoid face-to-face interaction. And those who are registered in their loyalty program can get personalized discounts through pop-up messages. Deanne likes Coltrane's idea, since research has shown that their target market is wanting a more modern and high-tech experience. But since self-checkouts are associated with grocery stores and their brand image is outdoorsy, Deanne suggests commissioning engineers to create a sustainable robot out of upcycled materials. Deanne also suggests that the robot could resemble an animal to stay in line with Flora's corporate branding. Seeing this character could enhance the customer experience while acknowledging the customer's values and staying true to the overall marketing strategy. Another way companies get innovative is by incorporating user-friendly mobile technology, which can help connect with customers and keep them engaged. This can take the form of push-based apps using beacons and mobile ads, and implementing easy and effective mobile payments. For example, you can use GPS-enabled push notifications to entice customers to come into your store to make a purchase when they are nearby. No matter what type of technology you decide to implement, it is important to ask yourself what your customers' needs, wants, and demands are. Then, map the customer journey to understand what can be optimized or implemented at each touch point. You've completed maintaining a successful retail marketing strategy. You know how to ensure the marketed value of a product is delivered to the customer. You're better able to use common methods to build excitement. We've covered the differences between online and in-person purchases, as well as increasing your merchandise's visibility and availability. You now have the tools you need to apply innovative practices to maintain your overall retail marketing strategy.